Ever wondered how ethical hackers gather information? They use tools like SpiderFoot, a powerhouse in the world of ethical hacking. SpiderFoot is an open-source intelligence automation tool that does the hard work of information gathering for you. It's like having a digital detective at your fingertips, tirelessly collecting data from various sources to feed your curiosity or aid in your cybersecurity analysis. Be it a penetration tester trying to find vulnerabilities, a security analyst looking for potential threats, or simply a tech enthusiast keen on understanding the world of cybersecurity, SpiderFoot has something to offer. It's not just about collecting data, it's about making sense of it, understanding the potential risks, and staying one step ahead in this fast-paced digital world. With SpiderFoot, information gathering has never been easier. So what makes SpiderFoot a valuable asset in your toolkit? Well, let's dive into some of the key features that make it a must-have for any cybersecurity enthusiast. Firstly, SpiderFoot offers automated reconnaissance. This feature allows you to gather a vast amount of information about your target from a wide variety of sources. Whether it's data from social media platforms, DNS records, or other online repositories, SpiderFoot can pull it all together. It's like having a digital bloodhound that can sniff out information from every corner of the internet. The second feature we should talk about is SpiderFoot's ability to perform automated scans and correlation. This is not just about collecting data, but also about making sense of it. SpiderFoot can identify connections and correlations within the data, saving you time and ensuring a comprehensive analysis of your target. It's like having your own digital detective, working tirelessly to uncover potential vulnerabilities and risks. Now, having a ton of data is great, but it's of little use if it's not presented in a clear and understandable manner. This is where SpiderFoot truly shines. It organizes the results in a way that is easy to digest and understand. This means you can quickly identify potential threats and make informed decisions about your cybersecurity strategy. But SpiderFoot doesn't stop there. It's a tool that is continuously evolving, with a community of developers regularly adding new data sources and features. So you can rest assured that it will keep up with the ever-changing landscape of cybersecurity threats. With these features, SpiderFoot is indeed a digital detective for ethical hackers. It's a tool that empowers you to stay one step ahead of potential threats, ensuring that you can protect your digital assets effectively. It's not just about finding vulnerabilities, but about understanding them, and that's what SpiderFoot does best. So whether you're an experienced cybersecurity professional or just starting out in the field, SpiderFoot is a tool that deserves a spot in your arsenal. After all, in the world of ethical hacking, knowledge is power, and SpiderFoot is all about providing you with the information you need to succeed. Seeing is believing. So it's time for a live demonstration. Let's roll up our digital sleeves and dive into the fascinating world of SpiderFoot. We'll use a harmless test website for this demonstration as a reminder that ethical hacking is all about respecting boundaries and acquiring proper permissions. When we launch SpiderFoot, we're greeted by a clean, user-friendly interface. It's here we enter the domain of our authorized target. With a click of the start scan, SpiderFoot leaps into action, its digital tendrils reaching out across the vast cyberspace. As SpiderFoot conducts its reconnaissance, it's like watching a seasoned detective at work. It's tireless, methodical, pulling information from a plethora of sources. From DNS records to social media, SpiderFoot leaves no stone unturned in its quest for information. But it's not just about gathering data. SpiderFoot is also a master of correlation, finding connections and patterns that might be missed by a human analyst. It's this ability to see the bigger picture that makes SpiderFoot such a powerful tool in ethical hacking. And what about the results? Well, SpiderFoot presents its findings in a clear, organized manner. No need to wade through a sea of data. SpiderFoot provides a summary and detailed report highlighting potential vulnerabilities and risks. It's like having the most critical information served to you on a silver platter. Now, it's important to remember that the power of SpiderFoot should be wielded responsibly. Like any tool, it's not about what it can do, but how we choose to use it. Ethical hacking is about strengthening cybersecurity, not exploiting weaknesses for personal gain. As you can see, SpiderFoot provides a wealth of information to identify potential risks and vulnerabilities. It's an invaluable tool in the arsenal of any ethical hacker, helping us stay one step ahead in this ever-evolving world of cybersecurity. Now that's a demonstration worth remembering. What if there's a platform where you can enhance your ethical hacking skills? Well, let me introduce you to bp-coding.com. This site is a goldmine for those who are passionate about ethical hacking and cybersecurity. It offers a plethora of in-depth tutorials, compelling articles, and powerful tools that can significantly boost your skills in the field. You'll find bp-coding.com to be a comprehensive resource, tailored to cater to everyone, from beginners just dipping their toes into the vast ocean of cybersecurity, to seasoned professionals seeking to refine their techniques and stay updated on the latest trends. One of the best things about bp-coding.com is how it breaks down complex topics into easy-to-understand bits. This makes it a perfect platform for learning and growing in the dynamic landscape of cybersecurity. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, bp-coding.com is a treasure trove of insights and updates. So go ahead, check it out, and let's continue to make the digital world a safer place together. To sum it up, SpiderFoot is a robust tool in the realm of ethical hacking, offering automated reconnaissance and in-depth scans to help you identify potential risks and vulnerabilities. Its user-friendly interface and organized presentation of data make it an invaluable asset for both beginners and seasoned professionals in cybersecurity. Moreover, bp-coding.com serves as a comprehensive resource for anyone looking to enhance their skills in ethical hacking. With a wide array of tutorials, articles, and tools, it's a platform designed to help you stay updated on the latest trends in cybersecurity. As we've seen, ethical hacking plays a vital role in our digital world. It's about proactively identifying threats and fortifying defenses. And with tools like SpiderFoot and resources like bp-coding.com, we're well equipped to stay one step ahead. Remember, the world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving.